Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. It seems that this is the season of using tools which can convert data into a specific format. More specifically, on the channel we already have covered docling, we have covered mark it down, and we have covered this PyMo PDF for LLM in just last 2 to 3 weeks. We also have covered various other tools which only do one thing. They convert your PDF files or text files and any other file into a structured markdown format or text format or whatever structure you want. Structured output is a requirement for RAG pipeline, for LLM feeding, and lot of other use cases around generative AI, and that is why there is a huge focus around these tools. In this video, we are going to have a look at this quite an old tool from Meta or Facebook, which is used to extract knowledge stored in books and scientific journals. This is an OCR or optical character recognition system that converts documents into a markup language. Now, Markdown format is a simple text format which is very handy for a lot of use cases. I already have covered it in great detail. So if you go to my channel, just search with Docling, which is I believe one of the best or maybe the best tool at the moment. Docling parses documents and exports them to the desired format with ease and speed. You can use it with PDF, documents, PowerPoint presentation, Excel files, images, and HTML. And you can watch these videos on my channel to go through it. We also covered Markdown from Microsoft, which again converts a lot of files and Office documents to Markdown format. And then just recently we covered this Python library which converts your PDF files into Markdown format. When it comes to this Nougat, this is a tool from the last year. It is not a new tool at all if you're wondering. Now, the thing is that this tool is more geared towards books and scientific journals, which are often in the form of PDFs. But PDF format leads to a loss of semantic information, particularly when it comes to mathematical expressions. And this is where this Nougat helps. So if you're looking to do a RAG pipeline, or if you're looking to feed some research papers with a lot of mathematical expressions, lot of unstructured information into your LLMs, then this Nougat could be of great help. By the way, this Nougat stands for Neural Optical Understanding for Academic Documents. It is sort of a visual transformer model that performs an OCR task for processing scientific documents into a markup language and also demonstrate the effectiveness of model on a new data set of scientific documents. It seems like a promising solution, but so I'm very surprised. If you go through the repo, nothing has been done from Meta for the last 1 year. So anyway, let's get it installed and then we will try it out on a simple PDF file to see how it works. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Let me take you to my terminal. So this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And this is my Ubuntu system, Ubuntu 22.04 courtesy Mast Compute. As usual, let's create a virtual environment to keep everything separate. You can go with Python 3.9, 10 doesn't really matter. And now let's install the CUDA here. And you don't have to really use it with GPU. You can use it with CPU, but if you are looking for a better performance or if you have a lot of documents, then GPU makes sense. Okay, so that is done. One prerequisite which you need is Torch and Torch Vision, so make sure you install them. And also I am installing this Nougat OCR. This is going to take a minute, so let's wait. And installation is done. It took around 3 minutes, so make sure that you wait for that longer. Now, in order to use it, I am going to use this command, which is primarily calling this Nougat CLI on this local PDF file, and then it is storing the output in this output directory. Let me show you this PDF file. So for starters, I have just taken this very small PDF file which contains a random data about myself. There is nothing fancy here. So I'm going to run this. So first time when you run it, it just downloads this very small model, which is a very lightweight weight model which comes handy with this Nougat. And also there is an option of using another model if you like. And it just depends because when you the default model is small, I think it is 0.1.0 small. There is also a base model. If you want to use, you just have to use the dash m switch with that base model, but I would highly recommend just going with this default, as that is much better. One more thing is that this PDF file will be saved as something called as .mmd file, which is a lightweight markup language, mostly compatible with MathPix Markdown. And behind the scene, what it does is it uses Markdown rendering plus latex extras. Latex means that, equation tables and that sort of stuff, which is primarily used for the scientific community. And if you don't know what MathPix Markdown is, it is a superset of Markdown that adds helpful syntax for STEM community, such as advanced equation, table, and chemistry support. Also, wherever possible, they borrow syntax from LaTeX. A lot of cool thing is there. I don't want to go into that detail to bore you with that. But anyway, you can see that my download speed is quite slow today. It is picking up, so let's wait for this model to get downloaded. And the file is converted. Let's go to our output folder, and there we have our mmd file. If I open it, there you go. So it's in the markdown format. Looks good to me. Now, if you're looking for more information as how exactly this is working and what are the mechanics of these tools, this tool around with its limitations, you can go to its project page, which is quite nicely written. I would say there are some examples, and especially around its abstract and how it is working. There you go. So this is an example which you can check out, and a lot of other things. One thing I found out is that it is still a bit buggy, this tool, if especially when you try it out on complex PDF journals. It really, sometime it errors out, sometime it works. So it's not that reliable in my opinion. If you're really looking to do these sort of thing, I would highly suggest go with Docklink. That seems like a better option, and I'm not sure why Facebook hasn't really evolving this tool. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on it if you have been using it. Very keen to know your experience. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.